Hello guys, it's InLifeTrill here for VideoHive.net, and thank you for buying my new template. It's named Airbender, and in this short video tutorial I'll show you how you can customize some of its elements. So as you can see, the project in the timeline is built out of scenes, and each scene has a folder in the left. What else you should know is that in fact, you have two versions, two project files, one that requires plugins and one that does not require plugins, depending on what you have. If you have optical flares and particular, you can load the version that requires plugins. This way you'll have more control and flexibility over the effects. Or if you don't have the plugins, simply load the Airbender pre-rendered version, and this way the effects are fixed and there is almost nothing you can do to modify them, but you gain the benefit of having the same visual effects without the need of plugins. So I have loaded the pre-rendered version for the sake of speed, and as you see, there is no visual difference from the version that requires plugins. So say we want to modify the main text and the small text in scene 1 as we are. So we find scene 1 folder, click it once to expand, and you have text and text 2. As you see, those two compositions. Double click the text composition. As you see, it opens in a separate tab, and double click the text 2 composition, it also opens in a separate tab. Now in text composition, simply double click the InLifeTrill text layer and type your text. So this is your text, or simply your text, and for the small title, this is your small title. As for the font, I have included a link so you can download it. It's a free font, no worries there. So once you're ready with customizing text and text2, simply close those two tags, and as you see, the animation is updated and totally ready to render. That's about that. Nothing new or special for all of the other scenes. Let's jump to a place where you have a placeholder, like in scene 8, as we see. So let's find scene 8. Here it is. Click it once to expand. Again, you have text and text2. Those text compositions appear for all of the scenes because we have text all over the place. So simply, I'll even shift select the text2 and double click it. They load. Remember, the position of the text here is very important. Try to stay with it. This is text for scene 8, and this is small text for scene 8. Once you're ready with that, close those two compositions, and as you see, your text is updated. To import your footage, you simply double click the footage composition, and as you see, I have placed a temporary pale orange solid inside, as you see here. So now is the time to import your own footage. It can be a video clip or simply any image or graphic element. So here is scene 8. I go File, Import, File, and select any video clip from or image from your computer. I'll pick up some of those fighters over here, and once your footage is imported, simply hold the left mouse button and drag it on top of the orange solid, which by the way you can actually delete because you won't be needing it anymore. So here's your footage. In our case, it's a bit larger than the composition that I've set up. How to fix that? Right click, transform, fit to comp, and this will make sure that the clip fits right inside the composition that I've made for it. Close the footage composition, and as you see, the footage is updated, the text is updated, and you're ready to go. So this is most most of it, modifying the text, modifying the footage, and as a final, I have set up to export models. So those can be viewed by going Window and Render Queue. So here we are. Those are the two, let's say, presets that I've named it. HD and web, depending on what you want. Simply check any of them. They are both checked at the moment. So if you want the web, simply check it and hit render, and this will automatically create a FLV file. You should specify the export position, or if you want it to be HD MOV, again specify your location and simply hit render. If you want them both, keep them both checked, hit render, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for buying, and feel free to write me an email if you have any more questions. I'll be more than glad to help you, and stay tuned for more great projects. Thanks and bye.